It's 6:47 right now on your Thursday morning, starting off nice right now.
But some big changes could be on the way this afternoon. Rob, you're tracking storms.
Yeah, and we've seen some pretty big changes in some of the forecast data just in the last 24 hours. So we are concerned about some scattered storms here through this afternoon and this evening. We may be able to get in most of that first round of that Huntsville Championship, but we're going to be watching the radar closely all day today. It is a nice start, though. Temperatures right around 71 in Muscle Shoals, 64 in Guntersville, and mid-60s for Decatur and Huntsville. Comes with a little bit of cloud cover, so similar to what we were seeing at this hour yesterday. Primary threats for today. Now, we will see some scattered thunderstorms, just plain old thunderstorms that could produce some heavy rain. But even a plain old thunderstorm can produce gusty winds and, of course, dangerous and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. So if you're out and about and you're hearing thunder, you need to head indoors. And, of course, make sure those kids get home from school later today. We'll also be monitoring that lightning threat for the Huntsville Championship. The damaging wind threat, I put it at a low risk, but there is the possibility for some straight-line winds. We are seeing a little bit of green showing up here and there on the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Most of what you're seeing, it's very high up in the atmosphere coming from, let's say, our Guntersville radar as you get closer to Franklin and Colbert County. So most of this is what we call Virga. That's what we're keeping a closer eye on. And we continue to see kind of lightning dropping off some. And we're even starting to see some of that heavier rain dropping off as this moves into kind of a stable atmosphere in northern Mississippi and parts of middle Tennessee. But that could bring a little bit of rain into some of our western areas here through the next few hours. But what I'm going to be keeping a close eye on will be a second round of storms here later this afternoon, because we're still expecting highs right around the low 80s today, and that's just enough heat and fuel to get some of those storms going again. You can see that round of storms moving in through parts of the shoals all the way to about Athens and Decatur by about 7 and 7:30. That would be good news for the Huntsville Championship, because we would already be done with the first round of the Huntsville Championship, and that line moving right through Madison County, so right through the Huntsville area into Sand Mountain through about 10 o'clock tonight, and possible storms moving in behind that along the main cold front. But the main cold front, you'll notice how it clears everything out from about 2 a.m. to about sunrise tomorrow morning. So we should be okay with that second round of the Huntsville Championship. Sunshine all the way through the late morning hours and into your Friday afternoon. So a great finish to the work week. And it will be a little bit cooler tomorrow. We're down into the mid-70s for afternoon highs after touching the low to mid-80s the last few days. And we'll start to climb again heading through this weekend. 80 by Sunday afternoon. Of course, is also the final round of the Huntsville Championship. There is the threat of some more storms, but most of those storms will be moving in after sunset. So if you can get that first round in today, we may stay thunderstorm free at the championship all the way through the final round this weekend. This is the rainfall forecast all the way through tomorrow morning. So that includes all of the storms today, about a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Just get into some of these blues on the map, it's about a half an inch of rain. But then we're tracking an active pattern wrapping up the weekend heading into next work week. This is our look at 7 p.m. on Sunday. Showers and storms moving in from out of the west. That moves through in the overnight hours. And we just continue to see one round after another into your Monday, into your Tuesday. And we could even see that continuing into your Wednesday afternoon. So a lot of rainfall in the forecast through the next 7 days. Look at this map. This goes through Wednesday of next work week. And you'll notice the oranges and reds on the map. That's 3 to 4 inches of rain. So that would bring some localized flooding threats. Back to you.